What do you feel when, let's say, you're browsing on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and you're watching someone who's doing a selfie in the washroom and there's a lot of things going on? I know that we're supposed to be natural in our setting, but for me, unless you are filming your life story and it's a documentary, I still think that we should have at least a little bit of an order in our surroundings, because your image is still very important when it comes to creating your brand online.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those.
Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to build your self-esteem as you create your powerful social media presence. So today we're talking about image. Wholesome image. No matter how candid we want to film our scenes, or no matter how natural our surroundings should be, there should still be a little bit of orderliness. For me, it's a sign of respect for our viewer. You want to take the time to make sure that your video is presentable. For example, have you ever seen a person who goes on a TEDx stage to speak without preparing at least for her speech, or without dressing properly? Do you ever go to work in your pajamas? Do you ever welcome your guests at home in your curlers? Things like that, right? Basic things. We want to look our very best. Whatever it is, this is still a public platform, so we want to put our best foot forward. So in my ebook, The Instagram Wow Factor, I talk a lot about branding. I talk a lot about how you should portray your image online. We have to still remember that we have to conduct ourselves professionally online. Why? There are people who are watching us. There are young people who are watching us, who might want to be content creators one day, or who might want to do what we're doing. So we want to set a good example. Whatever is your niche, whatever products you're selling, whatever services you're providing, make sure to always be presentable. There's a saying that if you met the CEO of a company, or the CEO of your company where you work, would you be comfortable in the way you look? It's just making sure that you are personable. And that goes with your Instagram or your Facebook profile. Make sure that it is presentable, because it is your resume, it is your cover letter, it is your EPK if you're a musician. Your profile talks about you in summary. It describes you right there. All these people who are trying to browse online and are going through a lot of feeds within so short a time can see you, and you want to be sure that you're creating a good impression right away. If you're looking to get followers, if you're looking to get supporters, then you want to catch their attention in the right way. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel, and then that way you can support what I'm doing, because I really want to spread positivity and share tips so that we can stay empowered on social media, which is really the way we now spread information. Gone are the days when we listen to the radio or watch a lot of TV or read the newspaper. Who reads the newspaper? Right now, social media is rich in information, so we want to be sure that when they see us, we are ready and presentable. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, on my TikTok, and on my new Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And also, I have my blog, jackied.com. Don't forget to come visit, sign up for my newsletter, and get a copy of my ebook, The Instagram Wow Factor, how to build that spectacular presence online. That's what I want to happen to you. So yes, always give it your best shot, put your best foot forward, be your best version. Posture, demeanor, your language, your outlook, your manner of communicating, and all. Remember, you are your brand, so you want to market yourself in the best possible way. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.